Okay guys, so Abdul, how are you? Kiranmai, are we good to start? Very good guys. So guys, today workout video we are going to focus on full body workout, and Kiranmai, you are going to do beginner level workouts, and Abdul, we are going to focus on intermediate level. So it will be both combination of beginner level and intermediate, so anyone can follow basing on your fitness level. If you are a beginner, you can follow Kiranmai workouts. If you are already following our workout videos, or if you have a moderate level fitness, then you can go with Abdul workout videos. So guys, are we good to start?
Yes.
Great. So let's start with some cardio drills. We'll do 3 cardio drills and then we'll go for the workouts. And today we are going to do 12 workouts, and it's completely full body workouts, right? So let's start with jumping jacks. Kiranmai, can you just demonstrate 2 jumping jacks for the viewers? Right. 5 more count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Relax. So this is the beginner level jacks, and Abdul, can you give me 5 jumping jacks? Superb. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now both together, just follow my count. The count will be 20 and you just have to follow the count. Keep doing until the count is finished. Alright? Both together on my count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good guys, very good. Relax. So now back to positions. We'll go for second cardio drills. This is high knees, and Kiranmai, you can do without jumps, beginner level, right? Can you just give me 5 high knees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. Abdul, jumping high knees, give me 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good guys, very good. Now let's go for the count. 15 is the count. Don't stop in between. Let's go, come on, start. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Superb, relax. Now we'll go for one more cardio drill, and this cardio drill you just have to jog in the place. So it's the same thing, no beginner or no advanced, just jog in the place. You have to stand where you are and just jog for 30 minutes. Give me very low intense jog. You don't have to jog with more intense, just a beginner level jog. Are we good to start? Yes, come on. Keep doing, just jog in the place. That's it. Go for 30 counts. Very good. Looks perfect guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Superb. Relax guys. How is the energy now?
Good.
Yeah, so this is just a warm-up or cardio drills, just warming up the body, and now we'll go for the workouts. Right? So we'll do 10 workouts. How is the energy today? Good. Yes, come on. So the first workout, we'll go for squats. Okay? So keep your legs outside the shoulder line. Open your toes 10 degrees. Keep your hands like this. Right. Now just give me 2 squats with proper form and technique. Go down, pushing your hips back. Alright, come on, go. Both together. Yes, come on, back. Good. One more count. Yes, the form looks perfect, guys. Now, we'll go for 12 counts. Are we good? On my count, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, go, guys. Start. Let's go. 1, 2, both together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just 2 more, 1 more, relax, relax. So guys, we'll take a small breaks in between. The break is not like you will be still in the frame and we'll be adding some stretches. It's not a break, but it just we are adding some stretches into it. All right. So you can do stand where you are. If you are flexible enough, you don't need a wall support. You just have to stretch your knees. Pull it to your chest. You have to balance on one leg. Yes. Or go back to the wall. Take wall support, both of you. Go back. Yes. Now take knee support. Bring your knee to the chest. Right. Pull it to the chest as much as possible. Right. Now hold there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Now other side. Very good, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Superb. Back to positions again. Good. Yes. Now we'll do inchworm. Okay. So you have to stand in the place and you just have to walk with your hands and you'll go to the push-up lying position and then slowly you'll come back and you'll stand up. All right. So it has to, both of you have to do it in the same time. Abdul, you have to follow Kiranmai, all right? Because you are behind to her, she'll be not able to see you, all right? Good. Are we good to start this? I just need 5 count of this. Okay, this is little intense workout. Inchworm is little intense workout and it's a full body workout. Okay? Yes, come on, go. Put your hands down. No, facing towards camera only. Facing towards camera. That's it. Yes. You don't have to turn. Come on. Put your hands down and then just walk with your hands. Great. Good. 1. 2. 3. Wait, guys. Now, stand where you are. Turn to your left, right, and do the same variation so that we can, the subscribers who are following our videos, they can also watch from the other angle so that the posture will be clear. Just 2 more reps, 3 more reps. Yes, come on. Go down. Right. Yes. Kiranmai, can you just go 2 steps back? 2 steps back. 2 steps back. 2 steps back. Abdul, 1 step back. Right. Give me 2 more count of the same. Come on, put your hands down. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yes. Very good, guys. Just 1 more to go. That's it. Back to positions again. Right. So this is inchworm. So it is little intense. Like either if you feel this variation is tough, 3 reps is good. You don't have to do 6 reps. 3 reps is also good. All right. We'll add 1 more stretch here. Do shoulder stretch. Hold for 10 seconds. Good, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Change it other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Superb. Now again, let's jog in the place for 25 seconds. Very low intense jog. Come on, keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Superb. Now we'll do standing oblique crunches like this, right? So this will do 15 count each side. All right. Okay. Stand where you are, and 1 hand on your waist. So just right hand to left knee. All right. That's it. Let's do 3. Just show me 3 reps so that we'll start the count. Right. Kiranmai, can you just show the same thing? Your other hand has to be on the waist. Right. Good. 2 more count. Good. Right. Okay. Now both of you together. positions first. Okay, now go for 15 count each side. Come on, go start. Breathe out. When you're bringing your elbow to the knee, you have to breathe out. Okay, ready? Yes, come on, go start. Both together. Abdul, you have to follow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now change the side, other side. Yes, come on, go, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Superb, guys. Now again turn to your left, right, and you can also take wall support. Go to the wall, right. Do quad stretch with one leg. One hand you can take the support, right, and feel the stretch in your quads. It's better if you keep your hands on your toes and pull as much as possible. Looks good. And hold there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, back to positions now. Take squat position now. Squat position. Right. This is going to be jump squats. Again, it's a moderate to intense level workout because the same squat we are going to add jumps into it. And the modified version, Kiranmai, what you're going to demonstrate, you don't have to jump. You'll go down, then again legs open and then squat. Legs inside, legs open and then squat. All right. So can you just give me 2 reps of this? First squat, right. Yes. More distance in between your legs when you're doing squat. Yes, go down and then legs inside. One more time. One more time. Good. Relax. Abdul, we are going to do the same thing. You will squat and then you will jump like this. Squat first and then jump in. Looks perfect. Looks perfect. Okay, relax. Back to positions. Right. So just follow my count. We are going to do 15 reps of the same thing. Okay. Are we good to go? Come on. Go start. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Don't stop. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just give me 4 reps more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now again, without any break, let's do jog in the place for 15 seconds. Very low intense jog. Yes, come on, just 15 seconds. Keep going. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, guys. Relax. Now go back, take wall support facing towards camera. Yes. The same stretch. Pull your knee to your chest. Relax yourself. Hold there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change other side. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, we are going to do mountain climbers. Okay, so mountain climbers, you have to be in the push-up plank posture and you have to do this. First, Kiranmai, can you give me 2 reps? You have to face, yes. Now you have to first take 2 steps back, right. Now put your hands down, go to push-up plank position first, right. Knee to chest, slowly, right, come on, go for it. That's it. 1 more rep. Yes. Stand up. Yes. Abdul, you understood how to do it, right? Okay. Yeah, like it's the same variation, you don't have to show it. Okay, we'll go for 12 reps of the same thing. We are not doing it fast because we are doing it in a moderate level. You just have to do 12 reps. Don't rush it. Take it very slow. Focus on your breath. All right? Yes. Now take your positions. Good, guys. Come on, go. Start. 12 reps. 1. Just follow my count. Slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Go for 3 more reps. 13, 14, 15. Yes, stay there, stay there, stay there. On your knees, just go to baby pose. Go baby pose and then just hold for 10 seconds. Right. Your hips should be touching to your heels. Very good, very good, very good, Kiranmai. Just hold there for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. Guys, now stand up. We're going to finish it with the last variation. Okay. Take squat position first. Right. So, in a squat position, you just have to go down. Keep your core muscles super tight. You understand how to put your core muscles tight, right? You just have to hold it. All right. Hands like this. Go down, and that's it. Knee level. You have to. How deep you have to go? You have to until it's parallel to your knees or little lower to your knee level. How much time you can hold? Okay, let's push for 25 seconds now. Abdul, and you understood, like the variation, it's an isometric variation. So the target muscles will be your glutes and your quads and your glutes. So can you hold for 1 minute? Okay, I think you can. But okay, so we'll just try to hold for 30 seconds. Kiranmai, you can push your limits. You don't have to stop yourself after 20 seconds. If you can push for, because you are into beginner level, you just started workouts, right? So see if you can push for 25 seconds or 20 seconds, but 20 seconds is minimum. So you're going to give me 20 seconds, right? Perfect. Abdul, are we good to go? On my count, go to positions 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go down. Yes, posture looks perfect. Now go for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, more 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Super. Great job, guys, great job. Yeah, so that's it for today's workout, and then we'll be back with another video tomorrow. So thank you. Bye-bye.